Hello and welcome to this video. So today I want to show you how to export your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file. So as you can see, I have prompted my ChatGPT how to be the best YouTube educational channel, and it gave me 10 facts on how you're gonna be the best. So to export this, I want to mark the top of it and then just scroll down. So I got it all marked, and then I want to right click and then I can click on print. And as you can see, the conversation now appear on this page, but as you can see, some of the text is missing. So the way to fix this is click on more settings and click on margins. You want to click on minimum, and then you want the scale where you want to go to custom and then choose 85. And as you can see now, all the conversation for the prompt is on this PDF file now. And then you want the destination to be Microsoft Print to PDF, and then you click on print, and then you can call it ChatGPT conversation, and I will just save it to my downloads like that. And then if you go and open your folder file explorer here, you can go to your downloads, and then you can open the ChatGPT conversation. And as you can see, the conversation now is as a PDF file. So hope you like the video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment.